Hello everyone, in this video we will learn the concept of what are the steps involved in the RSA algorithm and its examples. In RSA algorithm, we are taking the two large prime numbers. So these two large prime numbers, we can say that the value of our P and Q. In the first step, we are taking the values of our P and Q. In the second step, we are taking the product of that two large prime numbers, that is P into Q. In the third step, we are identifying the value of phi of n is equal to P minus 1 into Q minus 1. In the fourth step, we are finding the value of our public key, that is nothing but value of E. Whenever we are finding the value of E, then we are taking this formula like 1 less than E less than phi of n. And our value of E should not be the factor of phi of n that we have identified in the step number 3. So our E should not be the factor of phi of n. In the fifth step, we are finding the value of our private key. So in the fifth step, we are finding the value of our private key. So our value of private key D is equal to value of D into E, that is mod of phi of n is equal to 1. Now these are the 5 steps that we are identifying it for value of our D and E. Now whenever we are finding the encryption, that time we are finding our ciphertext message. So our ciphertext is equal to P raised to E mod of n. And for decryption, we are using that formula like P is equal to C raised to D mod of n.